wanted to be easy as possible so people can dig it.
Just because you don't understand something, you put it down right away? That's the whole thing about this whole movement, is to try to understand other people's life and other people. It was reality, but not reality. Everything came out of the street environment, but it was heightened. It was taken to someplace else, someplace in the imagination.
Let's really do one now. We're all sitting.
Huh?
Let's do one.
Yeah, I mean, we've just running the piece over. Why you stop us for?